Hey guys, I hope you're all doing really great, and in today's video I am going to create a makeup look that is inspired by the very famous and trending game right now, which is Among Us. So I am going to be creating a look that is inspired by this situation. I would like to tell you guys that I have no idea what this game is. I have never played it and I have no knowledge about it. But I'm still going to make a video about it because that is trending and that might give me views. With my makeup, I have already done my eyebrows and I'm not going to speak a lot in between of it because it's kind of boring and nobody wants to hear me do blah 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 blah, and I'm just going to go play with some colors and I'm just going to have fun, and I hope you guys have fun watching it too. Yes, let's paint our faces. So now my base makeup is done. Yep, so let's just start. So now I'm done with the figures. Now I will draw the fire kind of thing in the background of them. So yep, this is it. Now we are going to do a very little bit of eye makeup and stars or something like that in here. Let's do it. Even I don't know what I'm going to do, but I am going to do it.
2,000 years later.
Hey, so I did everything, and when I said that I am going to be doing a little bit of everything, I ended up doing a lot of everything. So now I'm just going to do my hairs and change into something more better for this look, and then it's gonna be done. So let's do that. So I did this little something with my hairs and I think it kind of looks good. I hope you guys think it looks good too. And this is my makeup look all done. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for my next videos, and if you guys want me to play Among Us in front of you guys for the first time, because I've never played it and I kind of want to. So that can be something. And yes, subscribe to my channel to never miss any other update from me on YouTube, and share this video with as many people as you want to. Bye!